Hi everyone. So we just got back from our cruise about a week ago, and this week has been horrendous. There was a lot of assignments going on for school, and I wouldn't say that I'm super stressed out, but it's been on my mind a lot. Whether or not I'm pregnant, and I just wanted to see if you can give me some suggestions, because I'm not sure if these tests that I've gotten from the dollar store are reliable. So this is the OPK test for ovulation, and it tests for your LA surge, and you can see I got a positive because there's two lines here. And so I ovulated last week, the day after we came back from the cruise, which was Sunday, and that's when I took this test because I knew it was coming. I had like sort of these mucus, thick egg white mucus, so I knew that I was about to ovulate, and I wanted to make sure. So I went home, bought one of these tests and did it, and I got a positive test. But the next day I started to bleed, and so I thought that it was just ovulation bleeding, but then it became heavier, and it lasts for about 4 days, and then it wasn't heavy like a real period, but it wasn't spotting like ovulation bleeding that I've been googling, and they said when you ovulate, the bleeding is just very light and it spots. And then throughout the night when I was bleeding, I would wake up, have like hot flashes. I think I wake up like 2 or 3 times throughout the night. It was very uncomfortable. It wasn't enough to fill up a whole pad, but it was definitely significant that it bothered me. And then I also had cramps in my lower abdomen. So I'm not sure what that means. So I was kind of confused. So I did take a pregnancy test, and got one of these clear blue tests, and it was negative. It says I wasn't pregnant. So I don't know what's going on. I know that you don't get you're not supposed to get your period after you ovulate for at least 14 days. So I don't know if the bleeding was my actual period, because last month I did miss my period. So I don't know if my hormones are just imbalanced or what's going on. If any of you guys are experiencing this, I really appreciate it if you leave me some feedback, because I'm really confused right now, and I'm supposed to see my OBGYN in 2 weeks. That's the earliest appointment I can get. Before then, I'm not sure if I can, what else I can do to kind of figure out what's going on. I will wait for 2 weeks before I take another pregnancy test. And as you all know, the waiting period is 2 weeks, and it's pretty dreadful. So I'm trying not to think about it too much, but for now, I'd really appreciate it if you guys can just leave me a comment to let me know what's going on, and if you've experienced this, I really appreciate that. Thank you, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.